Ventoy allows you to create a bootable USB drive in which you could just stuff all the ISOs you could possibly want, and when your computer boots up, it will display a list of all of those and you can select one to boot from. It's really, really handy. Basically a great way to use one thumb drive to test all kinds of Linux distros, or just to take with you wherever you want, just in case you need to have some particular ISO on you, like you want to save your friend's Windows from that dreaded, horrible, whatever the update is breaking this time. Well, now you can, and I'm going to tell you how to install that bad boy onto a thumb drive. So, come along with me. First things first, pop open your browser of choice. I'm using Brave today. Go to the Ventoy site. I'll have the link in the description below. Go to Downloads. Download the Windows version under Files. It'll take you to SourceForge. Very, very annoying. I hate that it does that, but hey, what are you gonna do? Download the Windows version zip file here. Blip. And you're basically done in your browser. You don't need to be here anymore. Bye. Pop open your downloads folder. Extract the zip file. Boop. It's fine, just extract it to your downloads folder. And inside here, run that. And then Ventoy to disk. Hit yes. And in here, you can see version 1.1.07. Select your thumb drive from here. If it doesn't appear, pull it out, reinsert it, do whatever you need to do. Go to the options at the top. Make sure you switch the partition type to GPT. It's fine for most systems that are modern. If you have an older system, MBR might work just fine. Then just hit install. Hit yes to all the prompts, because we don't care for reading or warnings, do we? Let it do its thing, and ba-bam, you're done. You can close that. Then you just gotta pop open File Explorer. You'll find Ventoy down here. Pop it open. It'll be a big empty directory. That's fine. We want it to be that way. Open wherever you downloaded your ISOs. All you gotta do is take all these Linux ISOs and that one Windows 11 ISO I got there. Take them, drag them. Get down there, you. And just drop them into the Ventoy. It'll copy them. It'll probably take a while depending on the thumb drive you use, but it's as simple as that. All you gotta do is drop them into the main root directory under the Ventoy drive, and bickety bam, Bob's your uncle. The next time you boot your computer, those suckers will be available for you to use. In fact, I'm gonna jump ahead and show you exactly what that looks like. Stand by. And this is what Ventoy looks like when you boot it up. As you can see, you got all your Linux ISOs there. It's beautiful. You didn't have to make 1,000 thumb drives to have as many ISOs as you want. And then all you have to do is select one and then boot her on up. Ba-bam! There it is, you're in the ISO. Love it. Woo! If you're already a Linux user and just heard about Ventoy and want to give it a try, the process is just as simple as it was on Windows. All you gotta do is pop into your browser of choice, go to the Ventoy site that I'll have linked below, click on Downloads, download the Linux version under Files. It'll take you to SourceForge, do the same thing, download the Linux version. It'll do that and save. Then you can close your browser when it's all done downloading. No worries about the tabs. Open up your downloads folder, right click, go to extract, extract here. Enter the Ventoy folder you just extracted. And for most people, you'll want to run this file, the one that says x8664. And then you launch, put in your password. And boom, there it is. I'm going to close that. Then you go to Options, Partition Style, make sure it's GPT. Select your thumb drive from this handy dandy drop down here. Make sure you have it plugged in. And then you'll see the Ventoy in package, Ventoy on device. Install. Yes. And yes. Boom, congratulations. Ventoy has been successfully installed on the device. As you can see, it's right there. You can close it. Also, if you want to update Ventoy, if you already have one installed, there's a handy dandy update button to do that. Anywho, I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great night, and happy Ventoying.